It is time to talk about Brussels sprouts. One of the things that I love is to use an ingredient in several different ways. So like today I have the big adult Brussels sprouts and the baby Brussels sprouts. Now the baby Brussels sprouts are amazing for grilling or roasting whole. These are going to be roasted with olive oil, salt, and a little bit of maple syrup, and they're going to be crunchy and delicious. As a garnish to that, or garnish to the soup, you can also do a whole roasted leaf. So we have the leaves from the large Brussels sprouts that are roasted, and those are an absolutely delicious crispy crunch, and that is a great addition to any dish. Another application for one of the large Brussels sprouts is a Brussels sprout slaw. So sometimes in the summer we'll do a shaved Brussels sprout and kale Caesar salad as a slaw, and it's a great condiment for a big buffet.